Hello dear parents. Today through this video, let me speak about what is positive parenting. So during our childhood days, the situation and the society was maximum nearly 85 to 90% of the families where the father used to go out for earning for their jobs, while the mothers used to take complete care of their children and family members and home atmosphere, etc. But now, this is a very fast, rapid rocket science generation it's moving on. It's a technical generation where it's inevitable for both father and mother should work to balance the family expenditure and to have that safety towards the children's career as well. But still, bringing up a child is not easy. Both teachers and parents, they play a very vital role in shaping the young minds, not only educational aspects, socially, emotionally. We have to give the inner strength and the confidence to survive in this competitive world. So what it is that we are discussing about positive parenting. Positive parenting means giving a quality time for a kid every day, just listening to their innocent feelings, responding to their emotions, understanding their IQ, and giving that positive reinforcement at every moment. So when a child comes to school in the morning, so the parental role will be like waking up early, just preparing the healthy breakfast and lunch for a child. Because what happens, a sound mind and sound body, as we all know, as Aristotle has said. So when the child starts acquiring knowledge of different subjects, the nutrients are very important to our body. So as a parent, we should provide them all the essential nutrients which helps them to develop and grow physically. Then later, when the child returns from school to home, just greet the child happily and have patience to listen what the child communicates with you, what entire day taken place in the class. Just spend some time with them, have fun with them, give the space to just share their feelings and emotions. Kindly don't restrict them and avoid and give some the strict cautions to just be like completely like machines. So dear parents, when the child comes to home after the school, after playtime, kindly sit beside them, take the diary and check and ask them whether the class teacher were present and what happened from first period to like the last period, how was your lunch time, which are all the friends you met and which subject was very interesting and which chapter did you like the most. So these particular time is very important where the child remembers throughout his or her lifespan. So positive parenting means it is up to 25 years until they build their career. As a father and mother, we should stand as a back support. At the same time, interacting with the teachers concerned about the child's improvement. Let it be in a positive way, with all patience. Collect the feedback of a child, how it behaves in the classroom. When we talk about the skills of an individual child, we usually say that LSRW, listening, speaking, reading and writing, where the educational sector is just investigating every day how to deal with different brains and IQ. Statistics says that a child who is good at speaking, they literally face challenge in writing. Those who are good at writing, they face challenges with speaking. So usually few percentage of the sector personalities children, they'll be good at all. And so when we see the individual differences, what we need to do is we have to understand our own child's capacity and in which sector the child is lagging, in which skill. So it doesn't come from a week or a month or an year progress. It is merely year by year on practice, everyday practice without giving up can come up with flying results. So dear parents, for today, I hope we are clear with how to deal with the emotional feelings of a child and what is positive parenting. So in upcoming videos, let us have the detailed discussions about how can we teach individual subject in an interesting way. Teachers are teaching in the classrooms in different methodologies. But when the child have that individual care at home by father or mother, that will be the recapitulation for the child's brain, where it stays in longer term memory, not only marks oriented but content oriented. So as we know, the society is looking forward not only for the academic excellence brains, instead the knowledge oriented, skilled brains with values and ethics. Thank you.